What's out there, Sammy?
Cars?
Cars?
More cars?
Charlie.
Charlie!
Where'd the birds go? What'd Charlie do? What'd he do? Did he lick you?
Yeah.
Was it yucky? Hey, Sammy. Where'd the birds go?
The sky.
They went in the sky?
Yeah.
Did they get scared? Who scared them?
Charlie. Oh, yeah, too white. Ah!
What?
And it hurts.
What hurts? Your leg hurts?
Yeah. It's sticky.
It's sticky?
Yeah.
Does it need a bath? Can you give it a bath? Clean it.
Coopy. Care.
You want Koopy to sit with you? Go get him. You'll pick him up and put him up there. Was Charlie in your way?